Believe it or not, you never know where you're going to find a safe. Baby girl, did you just say your body's tired? Are you sore from all your hustling and grinding and rewinding? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. But that sucks. We got to get to work though, so. Oh my God, Father. Here we are. Monday morning. What is it? Day 7 of what we got to do. My child, she's tired. She been working a lot lately, and she's waking up going, oh. I feel you, girl. I've been there. I've done that. Let's go to work. Win, no matter what. Woo, it is Monday morning. Always say it's the best day because you get a new day and the start of a new week. First thing I suggest you do is wake up this morning, put on one of the most positive songs you can think of, and let it absorb into your bloodstream. Let it be the energy in which you possess today. When you really want something, whether it's a job, a house, a woman, a man, anything your heart desires, I say go all in, give it everything you can, and make sure you do it with no regrets. Don't trip off a failure, it happens. Just know that if it doesn't work out, you did everything you could, and you can move forward with that notion in your brain. Blessings, Monday morning, let's do this. Ah! It is 6:17 in the morning. You can barely even see me, it's so dark out here. It's only me, a few chickens, and a bunch of worms trying to get it. Market, this is what it's like usually in the dark here. Time to hustle, grind, and wind. Making money.
I don't know why George is stomping.
Oh, look at me.
I think he's the real star of your show.
What?
I think he's the real star of the show, even though he's never really on it.
I make the
Okay, making it a
He just keeps running. I have never seen him run this much in my life.
Your job. Go.
Y'all didn't hear what he said.
All right, great.
Oh wow. Oh.
Go, move.
What are you doing?
Can I take some carton back for coffee?
Oh, that's Tony's job when he gets here.
What?
That's Tony's job when he arrives.
Well, somebody taught me that.
Oh, who, George is getting you try to get you to do Tony's job?
No.
Me? Who taught you that?
Someone we're not going to speak of.
Oh, we don't speak of her. All right, finish getting the stuff on the ground there, all those stuff that anything goes on the table, and then we're done. 7:06. We literally unloaded this whole thing, set it up. And how much money do we have in our pocket so far?
Like 300.
Can you count it and let me get an exact number while I'm surveying everything?
Oh, wow, let's recount
It should not take that
I'm
long.
organizing it too.
All right, we'll come back in just a minute. Stay tuned. For now, we'll go to our regularly broadcasted commercials. It was brought to you by George. Okay, we're back here. The commercial is over with. It's now less than 1 hour. We've completely unloaded the entire trailer, and we've sold $370 already out of this leftover stuff. For the most part, leftover. We had like 20 fresh boxes, but not bad. Trying to liquidate. We got to pick up a unit later. George is lost. He's physically lost, mentally and emotionally. Customers are buying stuff. Michaela Jordan is working her phone, and Elvis has entered the building, ladies and gentlemen. It's
I'm gonna
Elvis.
take you to the factory, the chocolate factory.
Elvis, and he's got the Mike Trouts on, ladies and gentlemen. The world famous limited one-of-one Mike Trouts.
Y'all give it to her. Got him. 200, right? In the car. Oh, poor you gotta stand up. Sorry.
Are you gonna do a request?
Oh, you gonna have to beep that out.
Yep.
From the window to the wall.
You ever seen a video where the guy does that? He goes in like a coffee shop and
Yeah,
sings a
it's-
guitar.
I found this at the
Good job, girl. Thank you, Post Malone. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Post Malone and Little John.
Post Malone. Everyone at the marketplace, come over here and buy our space. Cause wait, see, everybody's leaving. Everybody's leaving, huh? You see, I gotta quit.
She wants her change back. He quit. Tom Cruise.
Where's my bigness?
Tom Cruise.
My face.
Tom Cruise.
20 or 30? Your age?
I said hello, Tom Cruise.
Yours. Me and...
Say hello to the entire world. I'm over here saying your name and saying
He
hi.
said hi 5 times.
I know, my bad. Just say there's some records, and now I'm gonna turn it around.
Look, there's some records right here. Right here. Records.
Storage option pirate.
Nice. He tried to hit me. You see that, guys? I got that on film. He tried to assault me. Everybody is over there. And I mean everybody. We got Salt Princess way over there. She's making sales. Where is George? George must have went on break. Michaela's watching the whole booth. Somehow she's doing it all. Tony is like a box picking machine. It's what he does. Like he signs a box, he goes in it, and he takes out all the trash. He never stops. Free sale over here, everybody. Come get your free stuff. Bye, sir. Have a good day. We are here at 02 minutes since a job-related incident, ladies and gentlemen. Job-related
You
incident.
don't get paid for that.
Nurse, can you get the first aid kit out of the toolbox?
You have a first aid kit?
Yes.
Hurry, stat!
It's in the toolbox in the back.
Stat!
Say, we're all done back here. Everything's a wrap. On to go pick up a unit. George will man this stuff over here, and by man, I mean he's a man. He will take care of it. That's what men do. Men take care of things. George, peace out, George. I got to pick up another unit, so we got work. Goodbye, Liz. Goodbye, Alex.
Bye, Tony.
I'd say goodbye to Tony, but we're not talking right now. Say goodbye to one of my favorite storage buyers in the game, Alex. Because I'm over here ignoring him. Poor Tony's all alone. Ooh. We're down at the flea market as well. About 10:30, girl? Was it 10:30?
Yeah.
Exact time, 10:30?
11.
11. It's 11 o'clock.
Exactly.
She's counting the money. She's counting the spoils. The pirate
I'm at
spoils. You're at 5:30? Keep it counting.
I just lost my count one.
Father-daughter, teamwork. Love working with my daughter. She is such a good spirited young child. She keeps me motivated. She's always been my inspiration since she was born, and something about being around her always gives me a more positive energy. She brings out like the best in my heart, so to speak, and just makes my day go better. So I just want to say shout out to this young lady here and just
We're
being
at
so awesome.
572 for the day, y'all.
Oh, I was trying to give you compliments and stuff.
I know, but I have to finish my
Okay,
count.
570 total?
572.
All right. 570. What? How much do we pay for the flea market booth?
25.
25, and then that would be what now? 595. And I gave George 75 for helping us unload and taking away that little bit of stuff. So with that, we did about 670. Not bad. After I pay her, I will have at least 500 after I'm done paying her and covering my expenses. So that unit is now Dunsies. I took everything I had to buy that unit and the one we're going to pick up right now because things are on the edge. Days are counting down. Yesterday after the market, I had $300 profit and we had everything to go today. So you add that 500 to that and that makes $800 profit and 3 days of work total because we picked the unit up in like a couple hours, did a little bit of unboxing. We sold on a one day and we sold on another day, making it 3 days total work for that 10 by 12. Now you have to figure 3 days of work divided by 800. We still have a couple $100 on eBay. Don't get me wrong. There is still gonna be $300-400 on eBay pods. Let's just say 300. Well, I'm gonna speculate 300 for sure. That's gonna make 1,100 total profit for that unit when everything's all said and done. But we're done with it and we're on to the next one because we got to turn and burn, and that is the exact process of turning and burning. Move fast, get another one, boom. Hustle, grind, and wine.
I can't scream like you.
This commercial break is. Go ahead and keep singing.
I was screaming like you, but
Scream.
I can't do the at the end.
This commercial break is brought to you by Post Malone and Pandora. This is the Pandora station for Post Malone. Go ahead and keep singing.
I wasn't singing. I was,
Cut back to our regularly scheduled program. On to pick up a unit. Ooh, what a week, what a week. We are 7 days into 60 days of needing to do what we gotta do. I got 53 days left to do what I gotta do. I started off with $12. I liquidated everything I had. I've been slamming things on eBay, been trying to get caught up. My eBay has been behind from some return situations and some little negative situations that I got to deal with sending money. So I've been trying to blast that to get caught up, and hopefully that's going to yield some profit in the point where I put some money in my pocket. I got my little tiny payment from YouTube a couple days ago. That helped out a little bit. I paid some bills. I showed you that yesterday, my storage. This is one of the examples of the money I lost. And we have probably roughly, after everything's said and done, buying the unit, flipping the unit, paying a bill, buying the unit, flipping the unit, paying bills. We're back up to about $1,000 worth of buying power right now, Monday afternoon. Tomorrow's rain, Wednesday's market, Thursday and Friday are the big days of the auction. And I'm trying to accumulate as much as I can by then to buy heavy. I might have to not pay some bills. It's kind of scary because I have my insurance payment due on the 27th. That's Wednesday. My electricity's due on like the 27th or 28th, or they shut me off. No water's due. I got to make my truck payment. I'm like 2 weeks behind on that. I just literally saved my truck from being repoed at the beginning of this month. Literally 4 days before the bill was due, I paid them $2,100 because I haven't paid it in a while. Things have just been out of control. So that's the edge I live on as a 100% storage buyer. When you're behind, it is scary because everything is on the line. I'm dicing and slicing, going down that razor's edge like nobody would believe. So I'm down here at my storage, my little breathing spot, my sanctity. Oddly enough, this is like my pirate ship. Other than my truck, this is where I feel comfortable. I come sit in my storage and I collect myself. And right now, I don't even feel like being in my home. My home has pissed me off with my landlord making me move and not renew my lease. And I don't even feel good sitting in my home right now. The energy has dissipated in that building. So I come where I feel comfortable. My storage. Go figure. Storage Auction Pirate feels the most home in a storage unit. You ready for a live chat on YouTube, taking care of business? One of the things that I'm very adamant about is nothing I do is to seek any type of sympathy. I don't want anybody to feel bad for me, and I don't want anybody to think that I am ever asking for help. I promise you, I am the type of person who I would rather lose than take from you if it meant me doing to the best of my ability better and not somebody else having to do it out in some form or other, being taken a loss, basically, taking a loss. Somebody else had to take an L for my sake. That's not... my goal is to just show people that it's possible, and I want to do that this way for a reason. I don't want to seek any form of revenue like that. So I'm turning off my chat for that reason, so that no one could say that, oh, he's just trying to say this and he wants everybody to don't know. You never hear me ask for anything. I don't encourage super chats. I didn't even want to turn them on in the first place because I felt uncomfortable, and I just did it because people kept asking me to. But I'm turning it off. I'm taking off my PayPal button on my YouTube as well because I'm going ghost. So my buddy finally cleaned out that unit. He cleaned out the office unit that he got paid $500. You saw him, Dan, at WeHaul. In that unit was this safe. He told me I can have it. He didn't even want to open it. He just said, it's yours. Whatever. So we are going to find out what possibly was in this safe from a free unit. Believe it or not, you never know where you're going to find a safe. What do you guys think is going to be in this thing? It came from a business. Wasn't opened. You never know. Our safe cracking tool of the day. We just stole it from Aziz. He didn't even see me take it. Now, the guy who gave up this unit, he didn't even see the safe, I think. Or actually, he told Dan that he don't know if there's anything in there. He just didn't want to pay for the unit no more. It was a business he was part of. He got stuck with it. Everything moved into the unit in his name, and he just wanted everything out. If you saw the vlog there, you saw the free stuff I took out of that unit when Dan was moving it, and the stuff I put in my storage, because we got to make money, backs against the wall. Of course, I took the safe. In the business of storage units, I live for safes. If you guys have ever seen my #1 watched video, 4.6 million views, I found a safe with $26,400. Possibly the best day of my life, short of both of my children being born. The most excitement I ever had, and ever since then I chased the dragon. Every time I see a safe in a unit, a locked trunk, something that looks sealed, I'm all in because I'm a treasure hunter. I'm a pirate. I'm looking for that X marks the spot, and we got a safe for free out of a free storage unit.
Moved a lot of it. The longer one, the longer down. Then we can kick it all the way out. It's not that fun when you do it that way.
I need to kind of get under there. I gotta fill a screwdriver. I'll get a screwdriver to get it.
We're opening a metal safe with wood shop tools.
Is that a file?
Can we squeeze that in here?
I know how to squeeze stuff, yeah. It's not enough. Let me be this side. Yank it.
Are you filming, girl?
Yeah,
Don't worry
I am.
about the money right now. More importantly is the video and raw footage.
Hold this down right here, Mike. I'm gonna bend up.
Come on, bazillion dollars.
Oh, that's the top half.
Wood shop tool with a metal safe. I wish I had my Uncle Mike wood shop shoes on right now.
There it goes.
I think we're getting too good at opening safes, Alex. This is not going to be easy.
I think Alex is just has the strength of pull over here.
What was in there was a drawer.
Film.
Gucci.
Oh, secret documents. And those are the ones that belong to Hillary that the FBI is looking for, probably.
Oh, money.
Is this
More of
really
those.
what they kept in a safe?
I would have hoped for some petty cash.
Let's $3.
Classified documents. I was excited there for a minute. I did feel like there was going to be something in there. Oh yeah, user guides, Hewlett Packard laser. Come on, people. This is ridiculous.
This one's for Tuesdays.
Oh well, looks like George gets to throw it safely today.
25,000.
That's it. There's really nothing in here.
For the trunk too,
That was it.
$5.
Can you get inside there, girl? Get in there good. Tom's shining the line on there for you.
Absolutely nothing but paperwork.
That was the easiest safe I've ever broken into, probably. Let that be a lesson, anybody out there who's out there shopping for safes and you think your stuff's secure. That does nothing but hold your stuff safe from a fire for about 30 minutes. Other than that, that was one of the easiest safes I ever broke into. And Aziz, I borrowed your tool. I want to say I appreciate that. I'm returning it now. Lord, buy a better safe. Buy a big one, buy a metal one, buy something with lots of combos and bolts in it, because that was so simple.
That's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system. It's simply how we've existed. Choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.